get the AWE catback and a P&L single cat J pipe.
Okay.
And I think on the winter tune we're pushing like 21 psi, so a little bit less aggressive. And then the summer map we're doing 23. And that's pretty much it. And then this one, just like yours, it's got the STI
Short
STI
shift.
short shifter.
Yep. I'm excited.
Say 40 is almost there. Say halfway.
Peak.
Yeah, I can crop it if you want it. Alright, so we're going to turn it around and we're going to do a little pull so Steven can see.
Not bad. Not bad.
A little fun.
That's very fun. I love that. That was awesome.
That was a quick 90.
That was 90? That was great. Love that.
Yeah, we touched the top of third and then let off.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's impressive. That's impressive.
And this is just the 93 winter tune. It's not even, this one doesn't even have the sauce on it.
No?
Not even, no, this actually is like, this is without the sauce. The E50 map is significantly more powerful.
Yeah, so there's no ethanol, this is 93?
This is 93
Gotcha.
winter map with the boost turned down.
So 24, 23?
No, this one, we were doing like 21.
Okay.
So the boost is turned down on this
Still
one.
extremely high.
But yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That was a blast.
He's gonna be getting he got the Cobb Access Sport, and very soon he'll be getting a Protuned. He's just enjoying stock for at least another day. Maybe two.
Maybe a week. I still haven't even opened the Cobb Access Sport.
That's tough.
Dude, you have no idea. That's all I can think about right now.
So what else did you get?
The STI wing, because I'm
So you got the STI,
because I'm that guy.
So you got the STI wing
And lowering springs and
what lowering springs did you go with?
Aeroflow Dynamic.
Okay.
And then I went with the Aeroflow Dynamic axle back.
Axle back. Okay,
Not
cool.
a full exhaust.
Little sound.
Yep. Yep.
Man, I'm excited for you.
And me too. All of it should be here. The Cobb Access Sport came in this morning. Everything else should be here within 7 to 10 days.
Yeah.
I'm excited.